He's down. It's the Wright brothers. And it's a phone. This lady's eyes down. Very clear behind. EM71HDK. Well, maybe it was not a phone. Can't use your phone, mate.
What?
Can't be using your phone behind the wheel.
What do you mean I can't be using my phone behind the wheel?
You don't know that? Have a look in the highway code.
So what?
Tell you all about it. Who am I? I'm just an ordinary person.
Okay.
But I'm going to report it to the police.
You can do what you like, mate.
I know.
You can do what you like.
So can you?
Yeah.
But there's consequences for using your phone. And I'm not going near him. Listen to that revving.